Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning and good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Giselle Bacani from the Philippines. My age is 40. Uh, I'm a Filipino and I'm a college graduate, Bachelor of Secondary Education. My experience in Middle East, I have two employer finished contract, and the first employer have 4 kids and 2 adults. And also the second employer have 6 kids and 2 adults also. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, marketing, car washing, uh, and also taking care of their kids. Mm. And my I have experience in Hong Kong for 4 years with two different employer. One is one child, 7 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning, laundry, marketing, car washing, and the second employer taking care of 4 members, 15, 17, and 2 adults and one dog. I hope you can choose me, mom. Thank you.